Hello guys, good afternoon. Today's videos I'm going to show you my own build of Xsr 155. I'm just going to show you the accessories that I installed and other modifications that I did. And also this is good for a short rider like me because I'm just 5'4". So I'm going to show you one by one. So the first one and the most obvious is this one, the premium leather seat. Actually, only the seat cover because I replaced the original one, which is the brown. So this one is I bought it from Shopee. It's just a cover and it really fits on the stock seat of the XSR 155. And for me, it's a very premium look. And then next one, handlebar. Of course, the original handlebar is it's a bit lower because it looks like a cafe racer setup. But this one, I replaced it with a high-rise handlebar. So I also got it from Shopee. So this one is high-rise handlebar. And then I put a crossbar. And I also tried the other one, the tracker handlebar. But for me, this is the most comfortable. So that's why I reinstalled this, and then I am now using this for many months ago. It's very relaxing, very comfortable position. And then of course, next one is the Honda Rebel 500 side mirror. This one, I like the look because it's a classic look and very stable also. So even if it vibrates sometimes, it's very stable, and the mirror itself is very nice. The viewing is very good also. So I replace it with the Honda Rebel side mirror. And then here I also put a bag here, a side bag. This bag is uh, specifically for designed for this unit. So the original seller is from Indonesia, but I brought it from the local seller here from Facebook, XSR 155 group in Facebook. I messaged the local seller, and then I bought two of this from other side also. And the next one is this one, the side plate. It's a plastic, but it's very hard plastic. I think this is durable, and this good use, especially when raining. It minimizes the splash from the water in your pants. And I also bought it from Shopee. And then the next one is the rear mudguard. This mudguard is for the Honda CB650, and it just fit exactly in the XSR's swing arm. There's no modification, just plug and play. You can see the bracket here, and then I like the design. And there's also plate number light, and it's working, and it's very stable. It's also a plastic, and this one is metal. I think it's aluminum. It's very hard, so it's very stable. And then this one, the stainless grab bar, uh, which I I just bought it from the local manufacturer here in the stainless steel. So next one, I also installed a 1 inch lowering kit. I bought it also from Shopee. It is very easy to install. I have a separate video for this. And the wiring of this plate number light here is connected here also to the rear mudguard. So what else? By the way, I installed the lowering kit, and then I have a pack ride. I think I'm 67 to 68 kilograms, and my back ride is around 60 kilograms. And it doesn't, what you call that one? It doesn't touch this fender on the wheels. So it means it's fine. Of course, the tire, I replaced my stock tire, and I replaced it with a wider one. This is a 160 6017. If you can see that, this is Zeneus brand, Zeneus Turino. It's a 160. It's wider than the stock. So if you can see, it's really wide compared to stock, and it's very stable. I also bought it from Shopee. What else? The fender extension. This one. This one is from Shopee also. This is for Honda PCX. It just fits in our unit. So you just have to drill it, and it really helps when it rains. And then this one, radiator guard. It's one of the most important accessories. And this one, the mini driving light or the auxiliary light, I installed it here because here is stable. Well, I show you the lightings. So this is the white and the yellow. And then this one, what you call this one? Levers, the brake and the clutch levers. I also replace the two because of course I'm a short rider. I have short fingers. That's why I replace it with this one. This one is adjustable. I also bought it from Shopee. And then what else? This one, the frame slider. It's very easy to install. So I bought it also from Shopee. What else? Okay. The headlight grills and the visor. This two is for Ducati Scrambler. It's just plug and play also. So plug and play. I bought it from Shopee also. And this one also, I almost forgot. The easy pull. This one is good for the clutch levers. It's like an extension, and it's made for easier easier clutching. Then what else? This is for my action camera, and the other one is for my cell phone holder. So what else? I think I already show you all. My front tire is the same, is the stock one. I didn't replace it because the design of the Xineos is, it looks very the same with this stock one, which is the IRC tires. The thread pattern is just the same, so that's why I did not replace this one. I just replaced the rear part. And this is my helmet, of course, classic helmet for a classic bike. And this one also anti-squatch. uh I think I already mentioned everything. So okay, I'll just put the links in the description. So this is my Yamaha Xsr 155 2022. Okay, so that's it.